Hey everyone, Daniel Rubino here, Windows Central. We're at the LG Gram booth here at CES 2019. This is the LG Gram 14, which we've seen before, but not like this because, well, it's now a 2-in-1. I'm gonna give you a quick tour and tell you what's new. Stay tuned. All right, here we are, the LG Gram, all new for 2019. So this is a 14-inch model, and it's a really nice display. Now, you're talking full HD, so 1920 by 1080 resolution. It is, of course, a touchscreen. It's a 2-in-1, and it does support inking, so you're going to use a Wacom inking pen with this, which they have here as well. And it's actually a really nice display. You know, if you do full HD right, and like LG does, it's actually a really good experience. And what's really cool about this, you still get the webcam on top, and you have a really nice bezels here, pretty thin on the sides, a little bit larger on the top, but matches the bottom, no huge chin. Really nice device for inking, but it's gonna be the weight of this device, 2.52 pounds, so it's very, very light. And what makes it so great is, I've never seen a 2.5-pound laptop this light before that feels this good. It has a 72 watt-hour battery. If you don't know watt hours of batteries and all that kind of stuff, let me tell you, most laptops in this class have a 50 watt-hour battery. 72 watt-hour is kind of insane. This thing they're saying around 20 hours of battery life, and you know, I would say real world, I would expect 10 to 12 hours, but if you're looking for a device, a 2-in-1 that's gonna last you maybe even 2 days, this is probably gonna be it. Not much has changed with the keyboard, still pretty nice. Good travel on there. They do now have a fingerprint reader built into the power button, so you get your Windows Hello authentication there. Kind of nice design. We'll have to try it out to see how reliable it is, but I kind of like that. For the trackpad, pretty nice size, and yes, they are using Microsoft Precision Driver, so you should have no complaints with this trackpad. On the right-hand side, you do get a Kensington security slot, USB-A, headphone jack, and look at that, we have an actual power sleep button here on the side. This is a 2-in-1. Now that's not too unusual. What is unusual is LG has both buttons, a button on the top deck and the side for when you use it in tablet mode. I think it's a really nice trade-off. You do get a micro SD slot. Again, pretty rare on a 14-inch, but they're keeping it here. Now looking at the left-hand side, you do get a barrel plug. They are still sticking with that, but you do get a Type-C for charging. I'll have to check if that's Thunderbolt free, not sure. I don't see the symbol there, but we'll check out. There's also HDMI, USB-A, and you do have some LEDs to show activity and when it's charging. All right, so when it comes to specifications, you're talking a Core i7 Whiskey Lake processor at 8565, so you should be able to use that. No discrete graphics. I know a lot of people are gonna ask about NVIDIA, not on board on this device here, you're just talking Intel HD. You do get dual slots, so for SSD, which again is unusual, kind of cool. So you can buy it right now with 512 gigs of storage and 16 gigs of RAM, but you can always add a second slot in there or replace it and do all sorts of crazy things with having 2 SSDs on board. Now pricing starts at $14.99. It is available right now. You can actually order from LG, Best Buy, and other retailers. We'll of course be giving it a full review though, so leave me questions and comments below. Tell me what you think about it. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care, everyone.